Hello guys. Okay. We have done the zero step setup, right? So we are continuing from the previous session. So here we have done the zero setup. So can you see here npmi zero setup is done, and we check, right? We go on check here. Zero setup is installed, so dependency got added here, package.json, and the zero step configuration setup is done right now. So we are going to the test case. And here we are discussing about the we imported the AI from ZeroStep Playwright library. We imported the AI. So now AI accepts two arguments. So before that, no, what are the two arguments? Constant AI AI arguments. Okay, AI arguments. It will accept two arguments. AI will accept two arguments. One is test. One is page. One is test. Okay. So can you see here? Test page. So can you see here? Page, this is the one object, one. This is the text. So both it will accept. So so based on this only, so it will accept two arguments, test and page. Why these two arguments? Here, this is the, now page is considered as the page object. Okay. So complete playwright automation is driven by this page only, right? So because of that, this is one argument page, this is one text is another argument. Okay. And how AI methods can be utilized. Suppose now page is there, right? So we have used page, page dot. Can you see? These are the methods. Everything is coming from here. So by using these methods only, we are going to use the playwright operations like that. Here, now when you say AI dot, can you see? We'll get the AI operations, right? You understood, right? But from now, we need to write the scripts, right? Till here, I'm using Playwright code only, launching the browser, and I'm doing assertion on the page title. Now, if you want to enter the username and password, now this is the application. I need to enter the username and password again here. And log out. So here, I need to pass the username and the password and click on login button. So by using AI. So we need to write here AI steps. Okay. So before that, now what you await AI. What you can do? Enter. Enter. You need to give the value, what the value are passing into the input box. So admin, right? This value we are passing into the input box, right? How you are going to write? Admin in the. So here you need to pick the label name. What is the label name? Username. What is the label name? Password. Okay. Username. So this is my test case. Okay. Right. Now same thing, copy and paste for password, right? So what is the password you are passing here? Admin123, right? Copy this admin123 the password. And what is the password label? Pcaps password label. So you need to pass as a string the value you are entering into the input box. password. So now one more thing is, so AI, right? How AI testing we are doing on Playwright by using zero-step integration. It's a pure plain English language, right? It is a pure plain is in English language. We are sending our uh, questions, right? Huh? It will interpret behind the scenes and it will use Playwright operations only. That is true. But we are using pure English language here. Here the thing is, zero step here I will write zero step integration. Integration with the playwright. Integration with the playwright. Playwright. That helps to write end-to-end test case with the help of plain English instructions, right? So this is one thing we need to remember. Zero-step integration. We are going to integrate with the playwright that helps to write end-to-end test case with the plain English instructions. Then the same thing. See, here I'm not using any locator, XPath or CSS. I'm writing a plain English. So this is how you are going to integrate zero step with a playwright. Can you say enter admin in username, enter admin in password, right? Now await a see login button, right? So for login button, there is no label, right? Directly you can provide the login text. Hmm? Click on click on login. Okay, click on login. We can provide. So after login button, or see verify that the top bar is the verify that the top bar text is dashboard. I need to verify that the top bar text is dashboard, right? Here one more thing. So the use of AI arguments, right? Here we have used AI arguments. So this AI arguments you need to provide here two arguments, right? One is the test. So AI will take two arguments. Now one is this AI arguments and AI argument. We have to give AI arguments here for each test case. So based on the text, the page only, it is about to enter the value or we're going to read the value, click on the value. It will do certain operations. Okay. After getting dashboard text, I'm storing in one variable, constant get dashboard text. Get dashboard text. Once dashboard text is returned, just try to print out console.log. Top bar text is get dashboard text, and even see it is giving dashboard text. So why the script is coming out now, right? I have integrated GitHub Copilot. So that is this is how you are going to write with the Playwright and AI integration. So now we will run the test case. We will see how this is going to give me the output. So I am running this one test dot only. This is also one of the See error. So no valid targets found, right? So it's a known one because this is one of the disadvantages. Sometimes no click actions cannot perform. Uh, so based on the sometimes what it couldn't detect a clickable or interactable elements. See, that's the reason no valid target found. That means not able to detect a clickable or interactable elements like button input. I will try to run one more time. See, this is one disadvantage. Just still it is giving error. What I will use, right? I will use await page dot pause. I will use okay. Just use. We will check where it is happening. It is entering username or password. We will check. All right. Pause. Okay. So the execution is very quick, right? What I will do after launching the browser, before AI enters it, I wait page dot wait for timeout. I will use 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. We'll see now. So this is one disadvantage. The execution is very fast. AI is not able to recognize the page. Can you see here? Now it is typing password. Yeah. Click on enter. So it didn't receive get dashboard text. Yeah, there are some things which we need to correct. So this is a new integration, right? We need to check. I'm expecting for dashboard, but it returned false. Uh, what can I do? Okay, we'll go here. Admin 123. We'll try to dashboard, right? Hmm. So instead of that, just I will give get dashboard text. Get dashboard text. Get dashboard text. Okay. And the same way, right? The execution after login, right? Maybe it is not able to read properly. Take out the pause. And after clicking on login button, try to give here for 5 seconds. Okay. Now we'll see because when we give 5 seconds, right? So the page time it will wait automatically for 5 seconds. Then it will try to get the top button. Get the now we'll try and check. I'm hinting that get dashboard text. So I use the pause, right? See, now the test case got passed, right? See, the problem is with the timeout. See, the execution is very fast, the application is fast. So the execution is very fast. There are no swing cases. Okay. The execution time, maybe the slowness of the application. So the execution is very fast. The browser execution is very fast. So that's why AI is not able to pick or read the page. So that is the issue. We got it, right? You understood right now how we are going to write AI test cases with the help of Playwright. Here, what we are doing, here we are using, here, here we built, Playwright test case, right? Test case with Playwright partial, Playwright code is partial AI we used, right? Code. Can you see here when you see our test case? See, this is the Playwright code. This thing is the Playwright code, and this is the AI code. Again, Playwright code used, AI code used, and there are like expect dashboard. This is also Playwright code. See, now we are doing not fully Playwright code, not fully AI code, partial Playwright code, partial AI code. So this is how we are going to work with the ZeroStep. So ZeroStep is one of the integration that can be used with the help of within the Playwright. See, ZeroStep, no, one more thing. You can ask, like we have ChatGPT Copilot, right? But why we are going for ZeroStep? ZeroStep is a AI purpose built in for Playwright. This is built in for Playwright. It actually writes and executes test steps inside Playwright by using AI. So Copilot and GPT help you write the code, but they don't run the test. They are like smart assistant, but you can copy and paste the code. But it's a Playwright integration. This is one of the dependency. If we have to Playwright, we are going to work more with the ZeroStep. So see, within the test, see, I'm using the Playwright terminal only for execution. Nothing. Uh, we are going back, right? So this is how the combination of Playwright test code. I hope this is a very helpful session. Thank you so much. Thank you.